All right, we've got the NS 60-foot construction string lights. So as you can see, it starts there. That's the gap between each light. If you come over here, you can see, if you want them to be closer together, you can do that. I mean, and they can be as far away as you want. But this is going to be an amazing, these string lights are going to be amazing for, you know, a construction site, a mine, you know, like a work site, a stairwell, attic, any place where it's like, I mean, right? It's pitch black in here right now. It's just these lights. So if it's pitch black wherever you're at, this is going to be amazing. So the lights. So if you come down here, it's got this silver coating reflectivity, which makes the light more uniform, and actually it makes it brighter, which the light is already extremely bright. And then you've also got this protective cage that makes it suitable for rough use.
Protects the light bulb.
Yes, and these are also waterproof. And they hook with this, each light comes with a carabiner. So you just attach the carabiner to the top, and it can hook to whatever you want to hook to, it'll hook to it. So all in all, I think these are amazing and highly recommend.